take it. Ayla, the day way, you put 220. It's the way here. Yes. Okay. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Nora Yerquabo. This is U ticket 647802122. This is one count offer to engage the services of another for the act of prostitution. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning. May it please this honorable court. Paul Bogus, P58135, retained counsel for the defendant who is next to me at my office.
And sir, can you state your name for the record, please?
Noor Yaqub.
All right, counsel, how are we proceeding today?
Yes, Your Honor, this is the day and time set for a trial in this matter. It's a little after 10 a.m. Notices were sent out. It's my understanding that Officer Tabitha Sears has not appeared or checked in. At this time, we respectfully move for dismissal of all charges.
All right. At this time, it is now 10:03 a.m. No officer have checked in for this matter that was set at 9. The court's going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss this without prejudice. Sir, you're all set for today, okay?
Thank you. Have a good day.
You're welcome. All right, you too. Have a good day.
Yes.
Ms. Duplessis, did you need to talk to your, or no? What were we doing today? I couldn't remember.
I have a motion hearing for Devin Young, but it's going to need the city and the state on it.
Okay. All right. I don't know if she knows about it because the Snyder has not been here in the courtroom. So do you all want to go to a breakout room and kind of talk for a moment? Do you know about it, Attorney Snyder?
Luckily, actually, Your Honor, I did read the motion. I didn't know it was up today or that I would be covering it, but I'm familiar with the topic. If we could just have 5 minutes, I can jump in on it.
Go talk. So I'll do some of the other people because I don't know how long it'll be for you both to argue a little bit, okay?
Perfect.
Thank you. All right.
I can do breakout room 11. Ms. Duplessis, can you move yourself?
Yep, I can move myself.
Ms. Schneider, would you please join breakout room number 30? That way you won't run into any defendants that may join in.
Number 3?
30.
30, okay, perfect.
She already went into 11.
I'll go grab her out of 11.
No, go to 30, Ms. Duplessis.
But she has to grab her out of 11 because Ms. Snyder already went to 11.
That's what she said. Okay, because I was getting ready to tell her to move. Okay, cool, thanks.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you today?
I'm good. How you doing, Ms. Bradfield? You ready to move today? Good. Good morning, Attorney Barry.
Good morning, Your Honor.
How good this morning? All right. So you said you're ready on Miss Williams. Who are you ready on, Mr. Bradfield?
I'm ready on Deja Washington, Maurice Williams, Jawan Watts, and Yasmin Wright.
Yasmin Wright's license is valid.
Thank you.
Okay. So Juwan Watts. Juwan Watts. Is it Juwan then? Is it just Juwan?
Jawan.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Juwan Watts. This is B ticket 123339. One count failed to provide a leash and or responsible person for a dog off owner's property. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P70578, on behalf of Mr. Watts. State your full name for the record, sir.
Jawan DeAndre Watts.
Your Honor, Mr. Watts has, I would like to take advantage of his jury trial rights in this matter. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So I'm into, I might not have any additional. All right, so are you gonna have counsel then? You gonna provide yourself with counsel?
Yes.
Okay, so I need y'all to come back for a pre-trial date so that I can have counsel know what day we're setting trial for. So how long do you think it would take you to get counsel?
Not long, a week.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you May 26th. That gives you plenty of time. It's gonna be for a pre-trial. Come back with your retained counsel, so that way we can give a date for a jury trial. I'll set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
It could be sooner than that, Judge, if you would like.
I don't know that I have any time sooner than that. I'm sorry. This is how I booked my court is because I'm looking at trial dates in August, September.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, I'm sorry. I just don't have a lot of close dates right now, okay?
That's cool. I was just trying to get it over with. It's okay.
Okay. All right, Mr. Watts. I'll see you then, okay?
Okay, you have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you.
I can leave the meeting.
Yeah, you can leave the meeting now.
Okay.
Okay. Who has Roberto Diana?
Mr. Berry.
I do, Your Honor. And we're ready.
Okay. Roberto Diana?
Yes, how you doing, Your Honor?
Good, thank you. Now calling the matter, People versus Roberto Diana. This is ticket number SP 1146441, count 3, open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Ticket number SP 1307597, count 1, expired plate, count 2, no proof of insurance, count 3, defective windshield, and ticket number SP 1307634, one count drove while license suspended. This is the date and time set for a bench trial in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., P28880, on behalf of Mr. Wyana. State your full name, Mr. Wyana, for the record.
It is Roberto Lopez Wyana III.
Your Honor, there are two matters that appear on the docket. As to the open alcohol charge, that officer has not appeared, and we will move for dismissal. There is an offer from the prosecution as to the driving while license suspended, which the defendant would avail himself of the offer to enter a plea to failure to display.
So were the other 3 tickets not on the docket?
That is correct, Your Honor.
They should have been. All right, so if he takes advantage of that, I'll dismiss those 3 tickets.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Is that okay, officer here? I know you're present today. Is that fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Sir, if you want to take advantage of that offer, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, indeed.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the right that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that, sir?
Yes, I do.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, I do.
Okay, sir, I want to take your attention back to the date of January 29th of 2022. At that time, were you driving a Ram vehicle in the area of Rosa Parks Boulevard and Delaware Streets in the city of Detroit?
That's not where it happened.
Did the officer start following you in that area? Possibly, were you over in that area?
It's not, I don't believe that's where it happened. It happened on.
All right, we'll have a bench trial after we finish my docket, so we'll just wait. All right. Because that's what I have on it, so I can't really do anything. So Mr. Wanona, I'm gonna put you back in the waiting room, and then when I come out, we'll be able to hold the bench trial, okay?
Okay. Well, if I just say yes, can we just get on with this?
This is a conversation you should have had with the attorney. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to put you in a break.
They never told me any
We'll put you in a
information.
breakout room to be able to talk to him, okay? But I gotta move on, because now you said it wasn't that area. So now I gotta move on and come back to you, okay? We'll
Okay.
figure it out. Just hold tight, okay?
All right.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna put you back in a breakout room so that you can talk to the attorney. And then that way you'll be able to kind of flush this out, okay?
Okay, excellent. Thanks a lot.
No problem. So on your device, there was a button that you could hit up at the
Okay.
top left-hand corner. Do you see the little dots?
Yes, I do.
Yep, go back to room 4. That's where you were, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you. We'll come back. Yasmin Wright. Yasmin Wright. Yasmin Wright.
I like we lost her.
Yeah. I'll wait 2 seconds. Sometimes they'll log right back on or the bounce
Okay.
back. Bring out Maurice Williams.
Your Honor, Mr. Williams indicated that two matters that are scheduled for a future court date, he would like to keep them on that date.
He was scheduled for a bench trial today.
No, he was scheduled for a bench trial for one matter. However, two other matters are scheduled.
Yes, yes, I'm here.
Okay, Ms. Wright, hold on a second.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Yeah. He was scheduled for a bench trial today, so he wants to keep everything on the other day.
Actually, Your Honor, I did talk to the prosecutor in this matter, and we kind of wanted to know what was the reason for the stop, and I asked for dash cam and body cam footage in this matter. So she said she's going to try to get it and have it available for next court date. I mean, if it's possible to put everything on the same date, that is okay too.
Okay, I'll do that. I just need to know why we're going from a bench trial to are we having a bench trial the next time or a pre-trial the next time?
Bench trial the next time for this ticket, but we could do pre-trial for the other two matters. Or do you want, Mr. Williams, do you
I
want the
want it
other two
all the
matters set for
same.
trial?
I want everything the same, so if you need to talk to them and figure out how it's all gonna be the same, I want it all the same.
Okay, we'll set it off
Trial.
for trial, Your Honor.
What's good for trial, right? Yep. Now calling the matters of People versus Maurice Williams. This is ticket SP 13659791, one count open alcohol in the motor vehicle driver. These two matters are scheduled on my docket for future hearings. This is ticket number SP 1438386, count 1, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, supply false information and or ID to police officer. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Williams. State your full name for the record, sir.
Yes, Maurice Williams.
Your Honor, as for the matter that's scheduled for trial today, we're asking for body cam footage and dash cam footage of this matter, as well as the original ticket. I did speak to Madam Prosecutor, and she indicated she'll stick to the adjournment and will make those items available for next court date.
Okay. All right, sir, you were scheduled for a bench trial on this, so I'm gonna take it that the bench trial is still okay with you, Mr. Williams?
Yes,
All right,
On
we're
it.
gonna have the bench, huh?
go ahead.
And we're gonna have the bench trial all on the same day. We're adjourning it because you want some additional information, some additional discovery, dash cam videos. That's okay. We just have to give them time to be able to provide that, okay?
Okay.
All right, so is he gonna need counsel?
I guess, yes, Your Honor, because Miss Snyder will need to know who to send the footage to.
All right, so I'm gonna set this for a pre-trial instead, because I need to make sure that you get counsel assigned to you. Can you afford your own counsel?
No, I can't.
Okay, so I'm gonna have counsel assigned to you, and then they can know who to give this information to. So I'm gonna set this for a pre-trial. I'm gonna set it for a pre-trial on the day you were supposed to have for your next tickets. So that's May 16th, 2023 at 8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0 personal. After you get off this call, I need you to call the courtroom and provide us with some information. So you ready to take down the number?
Shoot. Peter. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
That's the same. I got no pic. I'll try to remember it.
Do you have notes on your phone, sir? Can you go to notes inside your phone?
All right, what is it?
313-965-2293.
You said 965.
2293.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
All right. Give us a call so that we can get you some counsel assigned. Okay.
So give them a call and give them what? My information concerning what?
If they have some certain information, they're going to ask for you. You're going to call my courtroom directly. We need to get some information so that we can have someone reach out to you, or so a counsel can be appointed. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
There's nothing further. You're all set. Okay. You're welcome. All right. Let's take it. Miss Wright, you still there?
Yes.
There we go. Now calling the matter of the people versus Yasmin White. This is ticket SP 1326162. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drove while license suspended. Count 3, reckless driving. Appearances for the day, appearances for the record, please, starting with counsel.
Daphne Bradford on behalf of Ms. Wright. State your name for the record, please.
Yasmin Wright.
Your Honor, Ms. Wright is aware of her trial rights. However, she would like to enter a guilty plea and accept the people's recommendation, and that is to plead to the no insurance charge and to be reduced down to improper plates, with the other matters being dismissed.
If that's the case, ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, do you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of March 16th of 2022. Were you in the area of East McNichols and Mount Elliott in the city of Detroit driving a Nissan vehicle?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you not have any car insurance on it at the time?
No.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of improper plates. The remaining 2 counts will be dismissed. Ma'am, did you end up going and paying, oh, you did, because you have your license now, right?
Yes.
All right. Never mind. That's why they want to run it, to make sure. Thank you for going to pay that.
Thank you for giving me a chance to.
No problem, no problem. So I do have to fine you today. I'm gonna fine you $200. Are you able to afford that?
Yeah, yes, I can.
Give you some time though. I'll give you 30 or 60 days to be able to pay that. How long do you need?
30 is fine.
Okay, I have to do no later than April 24th, 23. Thank you for taking care of that. Was that the only tickets that you had to take care of?
Yes, ma'am, because I already paid the others.
What other ones did you pay?
I paid, well, I can't remember off top, but I know I paid at least like I paid like 3 or 4 different tickets. But this was months ago, so I can't really remember.
Yeah, like registration, all those things. Right. Paid them like May 22 and then September. Yeah. You basically paid in September of 22 and May of 22. Yeah, but that was the All right, I'm gonna weigh your cost of fines today. You're all set.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. No problem. Ms. Wright, good luck to you. I'm proud of you for going to get your license. So,
Okay, thank you.
you're welcome and paying off all your stuff. So now you're all set. Don't let it build back up like that again, okay?
I won't.
All right, Ms. Wright, you're all set. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you. You too.
All right, bye-bye. All right. Let's do David Wade's police officer ended up checking in.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right. Let me bring him in. And I'll bring in Miss Washington. I didn't realize. No officers check. All right.
Double check.
Oh, David Wade. Mr. Wade.
Can you hear me?
I can. Thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus David Wade. This is ticket SP 1360729. Count 1, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, defective brake light. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Wade. State your full name, Mr. Wade.
David Angelo Wade.
Your Honor, Mr. Wade would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to failure to display the brake light matter to be dismissed.
So you want to take advantage of that offer today?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand for me, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, sir?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial? You have scheduled bench trial today in this matter. You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to take you back to the date of June 10th of 2022. Were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Greenfield and Pinkle in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that, was your license not valid at the time, sir?
Yes.
All right.
No, well,
Yes,
no,
it was,
it
it was not valid.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Sorry about that.
It's okay. I was going to ask for clarification, like, yes, it was not valid, but I got you. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of failed to display. The remaining count defective brake light will be dismissed. Sir, my fine is $200. Is that something you're able to afford?
Yes.
All right, you need 30 or 60 days to be able to pay it.
I could do it in 30.
Okay, all right, so I'll give you a tip. Huh?
Oh, I was gonna ask. I had went to the Secretary of State to get my license, but they say it's a issue in 2019. That's still on my record. I'm just trying to see how can I get that off of my record. What do I have to? What are the steps do I have to do to get that clear off of my record?
You said it's something in 2019.
Yes, I went to court for it and everything, but they still have that. That's the only thing that's stopping me from getting my license. I would have had my license today. I went to the Secretary of State. I took the written test or whatever. But they said when I was about to get my permit, they said I couldn't get my permit because it's something still from 2019. It's still sitting on my case. I mean, it's still sitting on my list. Yes. Everything that I have is out of Detroit, and I pay everything. I paid all my tickets off, and I went to court for that matter. It was they said it was a failure to blow into the thing, whatever. So I'm just trying to figure out how to get that off of the record. I went to court for that situation.
It's a failure to blow when you were stopped for drunk driving.
Yes, but I wasn't drunk though. That's why.
Let me see.
But
I'm gonna see if we can see it over here. I think that's a felony.
Well, I went to court for that and got that case, that thing dismissed. I had the paperwork and everything for that. They dismissed that case.
Well, I'm gonna see if it's over here in our system. If not, then you're gonna have to go to Third Circuit Court.
Third Circuit, where is that at?
Yeah. It'll be like a drunk driving type. Felony. Felony not to blow. Oh, there it is. That's what it's talking about. Strawberry document package. Oh, that's in the. Yeah. Yeah, we have it as dismissed as well.
So why is it still showing up in the Secretary of State as it's still on there?
So they hold on to stuff differently than us. Even if it's dismissed on our end, the Secretary of State doesn't always abide by what we say.
So how would I get that cleared off my record though? Because that's the only thing that's stopping me from getting my license.
All right, can you, hold on a second. I'm gonna have to, we're calling someone and then I'll come back to you and kind of tell you where we're at, okay? So put yourself on hold, because I don't know. This fine for $200 though is gonna be due on April 24th, 2023. But hold on, we're gonna try and figure out what's going on with this ticket, okay?
Okay, thank you. I appreciate that.
You're welcome, of course. Ms. Washington, no officers checked in for Ms. Washington's case of Ms. Sandy.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, give me 1 second, okay?
Okay.
Is that Deja? No, no one.
Okay, I just want to make sure. Now calling the matters of the people versus Deja Washington. This is ticket SP 1305207. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Ticket number SP 130520101. This is count 1, improper plates. Count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. It is the same exact ticket over and over. Ticket number SP 130520103. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. Count 2, improper plates. Nope, that's a whole nother ticket. I'm sorry. So it's just one ticket, SP 130520103. That's one count, failed to display a valid operator's license, not on person. And ticket number SP 1305211. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Washington. State your name for the record, please.
Deja.
Your Honor, as you see, these different tickets were entered in the system multiple times from one stop. The officer has failed to appear. We move to dismiss all counts, Your Honor.
At this time, the time is now 10:34 a.m. No officer having appeared in these matters. The court is going to grant that request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice. I will note for the record that I do see that this is the same date. It was January 24th, 2022, and they were entered in consecutively at 10:11, 10:12, and 10:13 p.m. So they are the same incident, the same day in the court's opinion, but dismiss without prejudice, ma'am. Sometimes they do refile these alcohol cases, but as of today, you're all set, okay, ma'am?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. And now the court did receive the video. We'll hold it just in case they return and hold on to that video as well, Ms. Washington, just in case they refile it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Who was Trevor Washburn? Okay. Well, are we ready on? Oh, I got, who did Dwayne? Somebody did Dwayne Wood?
I did, Your Honor.
Okay. He's connected to audio.
Edge?
Yes.
Yeah. I don't know if it matters, but for some reason your video is gone.
My video is what?
It's not there anymore. It's just an icon.
Oh, is it? Oh. Here we go. Okay.
Yeah, you're back.
Right here. Oh, my brain here. Did you find out anything? Yeah. He's having some audio issues. Mr. Barry, did you want to try and go talk to the gentleman in room number 4 and see if we can? Right.
That's Mr. Wayana.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, well, I hope you give Mr. Woods to connect. Corporal Scannell,
Yes.
we adjourned one of the cases that you're on. What do we do with the other one? I think he just took a plea. Let me check. I'll speak out of turn. We adjourned Maurice Williams. He wanted to get counsel, so we're gonna have a pretrial on that one.
Okay.
And then I'm trying to get Mr. Woods to connect right now, so hold tight.
All right.
I just sent Mr. Barry in there to talk to you, Mr. Wanona. And so he's not gonna be able to talk to you if you're in the courtroom.
Yeah, I'm here.
No, but I sent him in the breakout room to talk to you.
Oh, okay.
Did he tell you to come back? Or did he?
Yeah, he told me to come back.
Okay, you all set then?
Yeah, yep, I'm all set.
All right, I'm gonna call yours again for the record then, okay?
Okay. It was just so long ago.
I understand.
Years.
That's why I have to break it for a moment though, Mr. Wanona. It's not you.
Okay.
It's that we gotta stop it for a moment, okay? That was to Mr. Woods, but apparently. Okay. Attorney Barry, you ready? On Mr.
Ready,
Wanona?
Your Honor.
Okay. Recalling the matter of the people versus Roberto Wanana. This is ticket SP 1307634, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1307597, count 1, expired plates, count 2, no proof of insurance, count 3, defective windshield, and ticket number SP 1146441, count 3, which is already going to be dismissed because no officer is present. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Otis Billy Jr. on behalf of Mr. Wayana. State your full name, sir.
It's Roberto Lopez Wayana III.
Yes, Your Honor, we're prepared to accept the people's offer to enter a plea of failure to display, the matter ending in 76341. And
Were you gonna say something, Attorney Barry?
that the other matters are to be dismissed, Your Honor, based on there not being an officer.
All right, so Mr. Wanona, you're already under oath. I'm going to continue to keep you under oath at this time. We have begun taking the process of a plea under oath. Sir, this was from the beginning of January of 2022. Is your memory altogether on the beginning of January of 2022, sir?
Yes, indeed.
All right, so on the date of January 29th, 2022 in the area of Rosa Parks Boulevard. Were you driving a Ram vehicle in the city of Detroit, sir?
Yes.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes, it was.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, I'm putting you on mute, Mr. Woods, because I'm in the middle of a hearing and people are talking behind you and I can hear you, okay? So just stay on mute for me. All right. So at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea of the amended charge of fail to display. The remaining counts on these tickets will be dismissed. Sir, my fine is $200. How long would that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
Let's do 30.
All right.
'Cause
So I have
gotta
to
pay
do no
for the
later
license.
than. You said what?
Gotta pay for the license.
Okay, all right, I appreciate that. So, we'll have to do no later than April 24th, okay? April 20, all right? And the rest of your tickets have been dismissed, so you just gotta pay that one ticket, okay?
Okay, I appreciate you and I appreciate the police officer.
Yes, Officer Hill, we thank you. Thank you, be safe out there, okay?
All right, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set for today. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Bye.
All right, Mr. Woods? Dwayne Woods? Dwayne Woods?
Unmute, sir.
Who did Trevor Washington? I'm gonna have Officer McCall come down here for that one. Mr. Woods, can you hear him?
Oh, there he is.
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
All right. Now calling the matters, and I know you're not gonna have some of these on your docket, Mr. Barry, before I start. Now calling the matters of the people versus Dwayne Woods. This is ticket number SP 1398155. Count 1, defective or improper term. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1346177. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, tinted windows. Ticket number SP 1294248. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, accident. Driver failed to use due care and caution. Ticket number SP 1229551. Count 1, disregarding traffic control device. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Ticket number 706674. 1 count, no operator's license on person. You okay with that, Mr. Woods? A lot going on.
Yes.
Ticket number SP.
I'm just trying to make sure I hear everything you're saying, ma'am.
Okay. Ticket number SP 1229244. 1 count, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1054765. 1 count, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number SP 1305339. 1 count, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Count 3, tinted windows. Ticket number SP 1400071. 1 count, 26 to 30 miles over posted speed. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP 1400323. 1 count, drove while license suspended. Ticket number SP 1177421. Driver's license expired. Count 2, smoking marijuana within passenger area of a vehicle upon the highway. Ticket number SP 1083846. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, drive a registered untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 173240642. no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP, oh, these 20 cases. Never mind. All right. All right. Strike that last case I called. All right, appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Woods. State your full name, Mr. Woods.
Dwayne Edward Woods.
He's here today for one case. I know that he has a trial today on ticket number SP 1054765, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person.
Yes, Your Honor. That matter is up for trial, and the remaining matters that are up for trial today are without an officer. And as to the single charge of the license charge, he would avail himself of the people's offer to enter a plea to failure to display.
Okay, he has a couple of tickets that are show cause and somewhere in warrant status. So let me see. Oh, yeah, that ticket up today. We also have ticket. I got the right ones.
Yeah,
Okay. All right, I think I have all his tickets that were. All right, sir, you want to take advantage of the offer today? Some officers did not show up, but one officer did come, Corporal Spadell. Corporal Spadell, could you put your name on the record for me, please?
Corporal Spadell, batch 402, Detroit Police Department.
Thank you. And you want to take advantage of the offer to plead to one count of fail to display, Mr. Woods?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can put your hand down. Put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to the date of March 9th of 2020. At that time, were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Stansbury and Pilgrim Streets in the city of Detroit, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did you fail to display a valid operator's license to the officer?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to one count of fail to display a valid operator's license. Sir, my fine for that ticket is $200. How long will that take you to pay, 30 or 60 days?
30 days, ma'am.
All right, so I have it due no later than April 24th of 2023. Tickets numbers 706674, P1229244, P1177421, counts 1 and 2, ticket P1083846. Those will all be dismissed as they were set for bench trial and no officer showed up for those cases today. The remaining cases I called on the record, sir, how would you like to move forward? Do you want to have a pre-trial or a bench trial or a jury trial in the rest of those matters, sir? Because you got a whole lot of new tickets because you out here driving around.
I don't even know how to answer that question because I don't know.
I know they're all 22 tickets. I think it's a couple of 21s, but they're mostly 22 tickets that you got from last year.
Okay.
So did you need to speak to attorney real quickly about that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so hold tight on the rest of those. Corporal Spadell, be safe out there. You're all set for today.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a good day.
You too, thank you. All right, Mr. Woods, I'm gonna put you back in the room so that you can talk to the attorney about possibly what you can do with the rest of these tickets, okay?
Okay, ma'am, may I ask you a question?
Yes, you may.
I got a couple court dates coming up, but I don't know actually when they is because they sent it to the other house. But I just called down there the other day to update my address. But I know I got a couple more court dates coming up, but I'm not trying to miss them.
Yeah, so what I have all the rest of your tickets, so that's what we're trying to figure out. Like, are we gonna set it for another day? I pulled all your tickets, Mr. Woods, okay? Thank you for checking in on that though. I appreciate that. That lets me know you're trying to handle your business, okay?
I thank you too, no problem.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna put you back in the breakout room. Go ahead and look at your phone and tap in the left corner and see the breakout room dots. And go back to room number, I don't know what room you was in. Go to room number 2.
Number 3?
You go to 3. I'm gonna put you in 3. Go ahead. You see it asking you to go to 3? Go to 3. All right. Officer McCall. Good morning. Good morning. All right. You said you had Mr. Elwood. You got Mr. Washington. Washburn. Hold tight, Mr. Washburn.
Hello.
Hello, give me 1 second, okay? You talked to Attorney Berry? Or did you talk to Attorney Bradfield?
I don't think I talked to either.
Oh, okay.
He showed up in the courtroom, Judge, from the breakout room. So I just put him in the waiting room, thinking he was ready.
All right. Hold on a second. All right, you need to talk to an attorney in the breakout room.
Okay, I see review and discharge on it. Which one is it?
It's a review because he was supposed to be discharged, but you might want to talk to him about what's been going on.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll speak to you in the breakout room. Which breakout room were you in originally? You should be able to go back in it.
I don't see anything on my Zoom.
Ms. Bradfield,
program.
breakout room number 2.
Thank you.
Okay.
Attorney Duplessis, I know we gotta wait for Miss Miss Snyder to come back. When she comes back, I'll do it. But
So
I'll let her
she
know.
wrote up, oh, sorry.
Oh, go ahead.
She wrote and texted me a dismissal. So the only thing that we have to deal with is the state civil infractions.
Let me see. We can get a state first. Woods? Oh,
Unmute. There you go.
okay. Can you hear us better, Mr. Woods?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Calling the matter of People versus Dwayne Woods. These are tickets SP 1398155, SP 1346177, SP 1294248, SP 1229551. You just have to chill in the car, Mr. Woods, okay? You can't make any movements. Don't put
No,
any
I'm not.
keys.
I'm sorry. Yeah, my phone was about to die. That's why I had to come out here. I'm sorry.
Yeah, so don't do anything else, okay?
No, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, all right.
Yes, Kenya, the last one I heard was SP 1294248.
Okay.
Okay.
SP 1229551, SP 1305339, SP 1400323, SP 1400071. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Woods. State your full name, Mr. Woods.
Dwayne.
We can't hear that real good. You broke up a little bit, Mr. Woods. Can you say your name one more time for me, please? Mr. Woods, state your name one more time for me. You broke up a little bit. Yeah, connection. Attorney Berry, what was he gonna do?
We need a bench trial date, Your Honor.
What's that? June 8th. June 9th? Yes. Oh. No. That's what Friday. That's fine. Yeah, June 16th. All right. Mr. Woods, can you hear us yet? We have a connection issue. Mr. Woods.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, state your name on the record for me, please.
Dwayne Edward Woods.
All right. Mr. Woods, it's my understanding you want to have a bench trial in these matters. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. It's my understanding that you had an opportunity to talk with Attorney Berry about your case and about your rights. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you would like to have a bench trial before me, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
I want to set it for the date of June 16th, okay? June 16th at 9 a.m.
No problem.
All right. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You do have some civil infractions out there from 2017 and 20 that you need to take care of. I'm not going to bring those out, but I brought out the ones from 21 and 22, okay?
Okay.
All right. But come for those. I put all the ones that you got last year and in 2021 that we didn't handle on the docket for that day for a bench trial, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If there's nothing further, I'll see you then, Mr. Woods. Put it in your phone. June 16th, 9 a.m. via courtroom, $0 personal bond, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'll see you then, Mr. Woods, okay?
All right. Y'all have a nice day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Try and get Paula Cole.
Yeah, she said give her 10 minutes.
Okay, all right, Mr. Duplessis, Ms. Cole is gonna sign in about 10 minutes, okay? All right, Mr. Young, just hold tight.
Well, Juanita, she asked her about that. I think to the abstract.
Oh, my God. David Wade, Mr. Wade? Unmute yourself.
Yes.
Okay, so the person we're trying to contact on our end to find out what's going on, isn't picking up the phone right this minute. So, could you call our courtroom back this afternoon?
Yes.
Okay.
Around what time?
Around
3 o'clock.
3.
3 o'clock, that'd be fine.
Do you have our phone number?
No, I don't. 1 second.
Okay.
Let me see a phone. Let me see a phone. What's the number?
313
313.
965.
You said 965
Yes. 2293.
2293.
Okay. Give us a call around 3 today. We gotta wait and try and see if this person can give us some direction on what's going on with that. Okay.
Okay.
All right, Mr.
Thank
Wade. You have a great rest of your day. You're welcome.
Thank you, and I appreciate that.
Oh, no problem. Of course. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye. Are we ready on Mr. Washburn?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Come on, Officer McCall. Now calling the matter of the people versus Trevor Washburn. This is Z ticket 808600. This is one count of, I remember him now. I remember this case. One count of operating while, make sure I say the right one. Operating while visibly impaired. This is the date and time set for a review in this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Washburn. State your name for the record, sir.
My name is Trevor Washburn.
And good morning, Your Honor. Michael McCall on behalf of the Probation Department.
Thank you so much. This is the date and time set for a review in this matter. I know that when we were here last time, the sentence was that he would do a $300 fine. He was going to stay in the sobriety house until completion of his program, do the VIP, which is the panel. He was still going to attend AA twice a month. He was going to attend testing twice a month, no alcohol, watch consequences video, and attend the highway safety class. Officer McCall, how is he doing on probation so far?
Your Honor, on December 14th, 2022, he was placed on probation for 1 year. He was ordered to pay $1,005 in assessed fines and costs, as well as the Victims Impact Panel, Alcohol Anonymous, attend and complete the alcohol highway safety class, shall not use or possess any illegal substance, submit to drug urinalysis twice a month, and shall not consume any alcohol beverages. Contrary to the condition which states, shall not use or possess any illegal substance, Mr. Washburn continues to test positive for marijuana. In regards to the alcohol highway safety class, he has completed, as well as the Victims Impact Panel. He has provided verification of his AA meetings, and he last tested on March 20th 2023, and he was positive for marijuana. And March 23rd, he tested and he was positive for marijuana. In the month of February 3rd, 2023, and February 16th, 2023, he had missed his screens. And he indicated, Mr. Washburn indicated that he lost his employment in December, and he will start new employment April 1st. And he has a traffic balance and assessed fines and costs of $840 in assessed fines and costs. And he indicated that was the reason why he missed his screens in February, but he said he will continue to be on track and do what he need to do to comply with the terms and conditions of this probation.
All right. I remember you had retained counsel before, Nicole Casca.
Yes.
Okay, I do remember this case.
Okay.
All right, we had a discussion about the marijuana. I think I put no illegal drugs because you said you were gonna try and stop smoking marijuana, didn't you?
I did, and I started having panic attacks. That was my medical reason. I do still need to redo my medical marijuana paperwork. I apologize again. That was also a money issue. I needed to start working and having enough money to get it all squared away. Are you still
at the sobriety house, Mr. Washburn?
Yes, I am.
Okay, all right. How long do you think it would take you to get your paperwork together?
About a month or so, or rather, the month of April. So I should be financially squared away in about a month.
How many days are you sober on the other stuff?
I'm sorry?
How many days are you sober on the other stuff?
I got 14 months yesterday. So my offense date is still my sobriety date. Okay. And I wanted to show you, my friends got me a few gifts.
All right, that's what I wanted to see. I want to make sure you were still sober and everything else. Marijuana is not my choice, but you got to get that card so that you can be able to smoke it. Because let me tell you something, Officer McCall gonna let me know every single time, because I put no illegal drugs, and it's still illegal. I know that it can be legal, but while you're on probation, unless you have that card, it's illegal. But Officer McCall, we had a long talk last time. I know you weren't here for the actual. Yes. But he's come a long way. And for him to know yesterday, that was his sobriety day. That's why I asked, because I knew he would be able to tell me, because he's been working so hard on trying to stay sober and he's doing a good job. And he had talked about smoking marijuana to me openly the last time. Okay. He goes on walks sometimes from the sobriety house to help him with what he's dealing with. But I want to make sure he stays off of all those other substances. It's only marijuana he's testing for right now, right?
Yes, Your Honor. Okay,
no alcohol, no anything else, right? Okay, all right. So do we need to do a review in 3 months though, just to make sure? I want to make sure you get that card in place, but I can give you a little bit of time. But Officer McCall, don't violate him on marijuana only, as long as he's showing up to all his testings until we come back for the 3-month review, and then hopefully he has his card by then.
No problem.
If you don't, then we're gonna have to have a discussion, because I'm gonna have to figure out what I can do. But I don't want you to get thrown off track, because 14 months is not anything to that's excellent, okay? I know it's been a struggle for you, so I really want you to stay on track. And everything going good at the sobriety house?
Yes, everything's great. Everything's been better and better, honestly, other than the things not working out, like employment and things like that. Other than that, things are working great.
Okay, all right, but you're already seeking employment, or are you starting employment soon?
I'll be starting employment. I found a job with Brickworks.
You better say that proud. He said I found a job. I know that's right. Okay, well, room for you, Mr. Washburn. That's why I know this is difficult, but you can do it. And I want you to stay at that house and use the support. It seems like you're already going to the panel. He's already done some things, so you still got some ways to go. And this isn't the end of probation, so you still have some time. But I'm trying to make sure that you stay on track. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm going to give you a review in 3 months just to see where we're at. That brings us to Today I won't be at, so let me find it. What about July 3rd? Does that work for everybody?
Yes, Your Honor.
July 3rd, Mr. Washburn. We'll see where you're at, how you're doing. I want to make sure you're still on the right track at that time, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, then what do you want to do with this violation?
We'll hold off, Your
We're
Honor.
gonna
We'll
hold
hold
off
off
on
until the
we're
next
gonna hold off
review.
on the violation until the next hearing, okay?
All right.
All right.
Thank you so much.
All
Your
right. There's
Honor.
nothing further. Everything's you're all set to go. Keep pushing, Mr. Washburn. 14 months. 14 months and counting. 14 months and 1 day. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. If there's
Thank
nothing
you.
further. That's this hearing.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Have a good
Thank
weekend.
you.
Thank you, Ms. Bradfield.
All right.
Thank you. Enjoy your weekend, Ms. McCall.
Thank you. You too. You did.
The person who just called in, last four digits, 1447. What's your name, please?
Vivian Wade.
Ms. Wade, just one moment. What time was your case scheduled for, Ms. Wade?
Okay, my case is not scheduled until the April the 26th, actually. I was calling to find out if there's any kind of way the information that I've gotten for the ticket I received, I've gotten it all together. And is there any kind of way I could bring it in or send it in to show proof that I've corrected it?
The clerk,
I don't really.
Ms. Wade, you want to call the courtroom, Mary, or do you want to address it?
I addressed it right now. She needs to come in her court date.
It was 4/26, honey.
Yes, that's when you need to come in for your court date. You need to come with your scheduled court date.
But there's no other way you can get this information that has to go through Zoom?
I mean, you can email it to me, but you know, you still need to appear on your court date.
Oh, because I was asking because I don't do, I'm 83, honey. I don't really do computer stuff. And okay, then.
You need to come in person that day?
Pardon me?
You can come in person that day?
Thursday on that day?
No, do you need to come in person, ma'am? Do you need to come to the actual courtroom?
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, well, maybe I can have somebody bring me down there for that then. I'd rather do that. And I bring all my paperwork that I need to bring. Is that correct?
Yes, it's courtroom 337.
Okay, and this is at the 36th District Court?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. You're welcome.
Yep.
Was that our last case? Daphne or Mr. Barry?
I
I
don't see anyone else. Yeah, I guess that's
It's
it.
the last case for y'all. It's not the last case for the courtroom. We still have to.
Sorry,
do
Judge.
duplexes. It's okay. We got to Mr. Duplessis. We're waiting for a city attorney right now. So y'all can log off if y'all want to. I'm all set with you both.
All right, you all enjoy your weekend.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Attorney Cole, Attorney Duplessis needs to talk to you.
Thank you both for your presence. Thank you.
So we can put you in a breakout room so y'all can talk to one another together.
Thank you.
Maybe one. I'll just put you both in one. Go to one, Ms. Duplessis.
Judge, I'm gonna step away from the computer for about 5 minutes. Is that okay?
Yep, just let me know when you come back.
Okay. I'm back, Judge.
Thank you. Are we ready on Mr. Young?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Mr. Devin Young, can you unmute yourself for me, please?
Yes, ma'am. Hello?
Hello, all right, there you go. Now calling the matter.
I can't see anyone. I
Can
can
you
only
hear?
hear you.
Can you hear us at least?
Yes, I can hear you. Barely, but
Okay, unmute. So at the top of your phone, take your phone off Bluetooth. You should be able to hear us better. Can you hear us better
okay,
now?
yes, ma'am, I can.
Okay, and then if you slide the camera, is it just all black or what's going on?
Yep, it's just all black.
All right, just you can hear us, right? You know we're here, Mr.
Yes.
Young. We can see you.
Okay.
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 All
You
right.
can see me though?
We can. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people first is Devin Young. This is you ticket 629478822. This is one count of brandishing a firearm. Also ticket number SP 1276493. failed to immediately disclose to officer that he or she is carrying a weapon, and ticket number SP 1283790 failed to immediately disclose to officer that he or she is carrying a weapon. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paula Cole on behalf of the people, P31888.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ashley Duplessis, P82896. On behalf of Mr. Devin Young, we are consenting to hold this hearing by Zoom. Devin, can you state your full name for the record, please?
Yes, Devin Warren Young.
Thank you.
Your Honor,
How we proceed?
the people had a chance to speak with the attorney and review the motion, and at this time, the people of the state of Michigan are going to be dismissing the two failed to disclose tickets.
All right. And the other ticket, in my understanding, is going to be dismissed without prejudice as well. Is that right, Mr. Plessis?
That's correct, Your Honor. We'll stipulate the probable cause.
All right, so at this time, being that, the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice in this. Mr. Young, I hope you learned some valuable lessons from this, okay? I hope you learned some real valuable lessons. If you have a CPL, make sure you go. Listen, sometimes at those classes, they don't always tell you everything that the law requires, but know this now. And I had somebody come into I was at some conference or something, and we were telling them, a police officer was telling them, they don't tell you, but when you are in a vehicle, you must immediately disclose that you had that firearm, okay? I know sometimes they'll tell you to wait, and then you give them the card. When they come up to your vehicle, say, I'm a CPL carrier and I have a firearm, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and make sure you do that, okay? Because I don't want to see you back.
I don't want to be back, and I won't be back, so.
I know, you've been here every time, so I get it, I understand, okay?
Yes, ma'am. So, quick question.
Yes.
The retrieval of my firearm, how can I,
So now that the case has been dismissed, what will happen is, Mr. Plessis, if you send the email to the court, I'll fill out an order saying that his case has been dismissed and his firearm can be released. You'll have to take that order to whatever precinct has your firearm so that they can be able to release your weapon, okay?
How do I find out who has it? Because they don't
I'll help
have.
you. I'll get you
Your
started.
attorney will help you. She'll walk you through, but I will sign an order saying that you these cases have been dismissed and your firearm can be released, okay?
Okay, and I'll be able to go get it Monday?
I'm gonna fill it out today and send it over there. I don't know when you'll be able to get it. You're gonna have to talk to your attorney, okay? But I will at least do my part, okay?
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome. If there's nothing else, that concludes this hearing.
Well, I just want to add, if Mr. Plessis doesn't mind, that if you're going to film videos or whatever, you do need to get permits. If you're going to be on the city streets, you need to have permits, okay?
And that could have prevented all of this, okay?
If you have a permit, then they know the check. If you can't do videos on any street or in the alleys or whatever. And thank you, Mr. Plessis, and thank the court for your patience and waiting for me. Thank you.
Oh, absolutely. I know it's a busy Friday.
Where do I get those permits? If you don't mind.
Now you're gonna have to talk to your attorney.
you
She's
through
gonna
all
help you
that.
figure it out, okay?
Okay.
If you retain her as counsel, she will help walk you through the process of getting everything, okay?
All right. Thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you. Have a good weekend, everyone.
All
You
right.
too. Thank
too.
you. All right. Bye-bye.